Good evening to all. Subscribe our channel. The pair of particle which experience the same force in uniform electric field experiences same force in uniform electric field. So electron and proton. So electron and proton is the two pairs. So force also F is equal E into Q. So then depend upon the charge. If equal charges is there, have a same force experience. So we are asking the particle which experience the same force in uniform electric field. So electric field is also constant, nothing but F proportional to Q. So ఇది అన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఛార్జ్ అండ్ ప్రోటాన్ ఛార్జ్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ బట్ సైన్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. సో కాబట్టి ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అండ్ ప్రోటాన్. దట్స్ వై ప్రోటాన్ అది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అండ్ ప్రోటాన్ హ్యావ్ ఏ సేమ్ ఫోర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏమో నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నా ప్రోటాన్ అండ్ డ్యూట్రాన్. డ్యూట్రాన్స్ మీన్స్ వన్ proton plus one neutron. Its helium particle have a two protons plus two neutrons. So these are the same force. This is also not a same force in electric field. Is right. The pair of particle which have same acceleration in uniform electric field. Same acceleration. He asking the same acceleration. So uniform electric field, I can write relation F is equal to m. F is equal to, so F is equal to so F is equal to m into a, but relation between force and electric field, F is equal to E into Q. So here F is equal to m into a is equal to E into Q. So A is equal to E Q by m. Here in this question he mentioned uniform electric field, nothing but E is also constant. So A proportional to Q by m. A proportional to Q by m. సో ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్నమాట. ఏ పార్టికల్కి అయితే ఛార్జ్ అండ్ మాస్ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయో వాటి యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో. సో అదే కాబట్టి ప్రోటాన్ అండ్ డ్యూట్రాన్, సో ఇవి రెండు సేమ్ కాదు. డ్యూట్రాన్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ వన్ ప్రోటాన్ ప్లస్ వన్ న్యూట్రాన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డ్యూట్రాన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమో ప్రోటాన్ అండ్ ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్. Alpha particle have a two protons plus two neutrons. Here mass is not a same. Here electron and positron. Electron mass equal to positron mass, but electron charge is plus. Electron charge is minus. Positron charge is plus. So this magnitudes only change but equal charges and equal masses. That's why option 3 is the right answer. మనము ఫోర్త్ వన్ దాన్ని కూడా ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ డ్యూట్రాన్ అండ్ ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్. డ్యూట్రాన్ అండ్ ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఏ సేమ్. ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్ హ్యావ్ ఏ two protons and two neutrons. That's why this both are not a same mass and charge. So our answer third one. Next, an electron is projected with a certain velocity into an electric field in direction opposite to the field. So see this one. This is the electric field. If imagine one electric field, lines of force passing this direction like this. one charge, this is the charge, this is the charge. So now it is, so it is the plus, it is the minus. So this electron project in opposite direction of the charge. So opposite direction means this direction, that's why. So it is the electron negative, is the positive. Between electron and this field have attractive force, that's why electron move fast towards the positive side of the electric field, that's why increasing the acceleration. So first one is right answer. Retardation means decreasing the acceleration, opposite to the acceleration means retardation. So first one is right answer. So that's next one. A path of charged particle projected into uniform transverse electric field is, one is circle and second one hyperbola, third parabola, fourth one ellipse. So I draw a electric field. This is the electric field direction, plus plus plus, this is the minus minus minus. So from this information, one charged particle, if this is the one charged particle projected in a electric field. So the charged particle projected to electric field. So I projecting this one is the charge, positive charged particle. It moves towards the negative region like this. Okay, it moves negative region towards the like this. If it is a negative charged particle, it's move like this positive side of the electric field. So this graphs observe, we can observe this is the like a parabola, this is also like a parabola. Nothing but check the options once again. First one circle, so wrong. First one circle, so wrong. Hyperbola, wrong. Parabola, so ellipse. Once again, so choose the wrong statement. So charge can't exist without matter. It is right. Charge can't exist without matter. Why? So proton have a mass and electron have a mass. Neutron have also mass. So that's why every charged particle must charged particle exist a mass. Without mass, charge can't exist. That why electron have a mass, proton have a mass. Electron mass 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31. Proton mass 1.175 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Like this. So every particle have a mass. Next, second one, a charge. Second one, a charge of a body depends its velocity. A charge of a body depends its velocity. We don't know information, so check the another one. Coulomb's force is the central forces. So Coulomb's force are the central forces. We know very well. So that's why we discussing two charges. This is the two part charges. Force F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the central forces. Next one is a charge can't exert force on the itself. Next one is a charge can't exert force on itself. సో ఛార్జ్ ఏమవుతుంది, తనకు తాను ఫోర్స్ని ఎక్సైట్ చేయలేదు. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సో వన్ ఛార్జ్ without another charge, it can't express a force, it's express a charge only. if another force is there, another charge is there, these two are expressing a force. That's why force formula F is equal Q1 Q2 by R square. Nothing but here two formulas required. F proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Here two charges required. Then only force is exert. Next one. That's why this is right answer. This is right answer. This is also right answer. Nothing but wrong statement is second one. Ante it is our answer.